how's it going? Thanks again for joining us for this, our third episode of Sean Nós Jigs in the series in association with the Linenhall. Over the past two episodes and during this episode, we've been working on finding different jig rhythms that we can put together into longer patterns to make some full steps that we're dancing to the jig on Uachtaráin, a great tune written by a fantastic male musician, Joe Carey. Hope you enjoy the episode, and don't forget, next week is our last episode where we'll dance the full jig all together. For the first part, we're going to step onto our left leg, shuffle with our right leg, hop on our left leg, and then step, step. So that much again. Step, shuffle, hop, step, step. And one more time. This time our right leg is up in the air, so we're going to step onto our right leg and change over. Step, shuffle with our left leg, hop with our right leg, and step, step with our left and our right leg. So from the start, step onto our left leg, shuffle with our right leg, hop on our left leg, step, step, that's right, left, step onto our right leg, shuffle with our left leg, hop on our right leg, step, step, left, right. And together we have for the second part, we're going to step onto our left leg, shuffle with our right leg, hop on our left leg, and then step on our right leg. So it's the same as the first part, but this time instead of doing a second step on our left leg, we're going to put our weight onto our heel. So that together is step, shuffle, hop, step, heel. And then the next part, step on our right leg, ball of the foot on our left leg, step on our right leg, heel on our left leg, step on our right leg, ball. So that's step, heel, step, ball, step, heel. So not much again. Step, shuffle, hop, step, heel, step, ball, step, heel, step, ball. On the whole step together. Step, shuffle, hop, step, 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 shuffle, step, 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 shuffle, hop, step, heel, step, ball, step, heel, step, ball. And then we go on to our other leg, and because our weight is on our left leg, we step onto our right leg. So we're going step, shuffle, hop, step, 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 shuffle, step, 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 shuffle, hop, step, heel, step, ball, step, heel, step, ball. our second step today, we're going to start with 4 shuffles. So we're going to step onto our left leg, shuffle with our right leg, out, back, step onto our right leg, out, back with our left leg, and again, step, shuffle, step, shuffle. So that's 4 shuffles, and we're going step, shuffle. For the second part of our step, we're going to step onto our left leg. And when we do our shuffle, we're going to catch our heel on the way out and the top of our foot on the way back in. One more time, step, shuffle. So when we bring our foot back in, we're going to put a little bit of weight in it so we can step on our left leg again, and we get step, shuffle, step, step, shuffle, step. So in fact, it's even less like a shuffle on the way out and more like a ball change. So we're putting pressure on the ball of our foot so we can step on our back leg. So we have step, heel, ball, step, step, heel, ball, step. After we do our step, heel, ball, step, we step on our left leg again, shuffle out with the top of our foot. On the way back in, hit the ball of our foot again. And then we step onto our right leg to change over. When we change over, we do heel ball with our left leg. So we do that once. And then we shuffle out with our left leg. Step, shuffle, step. So the whole step together with the 2 parts is stepping onto our left leg, step, shuffle, step 2, step 3, step 4, step, heel, ball, step, shuffle, change, heel, ball, step, shuffle, change, step 2, step 3, step 4, step, heel, ball, step, shuffle, change, heel, ball, step, shuffle, step, shuffle.
Thank you.